Great Taste is brought to you by Cantor's Meats.
A Greek slow-cooked turkey roast on a pita with a Granny's slow cooker turkey roast on effortless, tasty turkey meals on Great Taste of Manitoba. Did I get all that right?
I think so.
Okay, I'm out of here. No, I'm not. We're gonna take this amazing roast, and actually this is kind of exciting because you debuted this on the show a couple of years ago. It's a great seller, it's a great product. Tell us about it.
Yeah, well, it's a boneless turkey roast, and the great thing about it is you can take it out of the freezer in the morning, put it in a slow cooker crock pot, and you can put a few different things in with it and just leave it all day long. And most modern slow cookers, they just they shut off and go to warm after they're done. So it cooks for 6 hours, but if you're back in 8 hours, 7 hours, doesn't matter, it'll be just ready to go.
Love the slow cooker. And this is an extremely nutritious, it's like a nutrition powerhouse or nutritious powerhouse. Very lean, very tasty. It's a great product.
Yeah.
Okay.
And again, effortless and very simple.
Effortless, that's right. Effortless, tasty turkey meals. That's what we were after. Okay, so, but one of the really cool things about this particular recipe, it's on a pita, and we've got this tzatziki. Nothing, like this is all going to be homemade.
Absolutely.
Okay, but effortless, but effortless. So show us how we do this.
Yeah, so we're going to start with a marinade for the roast. And I'm just going to take about a 1/4 cup of olive oil here and just put it in my mixing bowl here. And I'm going to take about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, which is about 1 lemon squeezed. So we're just going to...
4 tablespoons is 1 lemon. That's good to know.
Yeah, I always like to use fresh lemon juice.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, that goes like this.
Oh yeah, I mean fresh, you know, if you can, always better.
Yeah.
Yum.
Okay, so there we go.
Okay.
Okay, and then I've got 2 tablespoons of garlic here. So lots of flavor there. We don't go light on the garlic. And lots of oregano too. 2 full tablespoons here. A little pinch of salt, about half a teaspoon maybe. And then you can put a little bit of black pepper in there as well. And that's our marinade. So we just give that a little stir.
Okay.
And I've got a slow cooker roast here already in the slow cooker. And they come with a little spice pack, it's got paprika in it, but this time we're not going to use it.
Not using it this time.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the marinade. We're going to get the tzatziki in just a second.
Yep. So then the lid goes on, put it on low for 6 hours, and then it's done.
That's it. Oh, I love it already. Yep. Okay, now tzatziki. Okay.
Yeah, tzatziki. So what I have here is I have some sour cream, and I always like to go with the full fat.
Okay, why is that?
Well, it's rich, it's full of flavor, it's got lots of body to it.
What happens if you don't go with the full fat? Like, is that really going to compromise the taste?
Well, it'll be a little bit more watery, and just not as rich and full of flavor. And the other risk there is when you're adding cucumber, if it sits for a while, the moisture from the cucumber can even make it more watery.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, and the same goes for the yogurt. So good Greek or Balkan style yogurt, full fat again. So those, and then I've taken just some fresh cucumber and diced it here. Left the skin on this one because it's very thin, has lots of nice color and flavor.
Yeah.
And a little bit of garlic again, and some fresh dill.
You should have like a pack of gum here for all of the garlic that
a little bit of salt, and a little tiny bit of olive oil adds some nice flavor as well. And
look at that.
Yeah, if you make this like an hour ahead of time and put it in the fridge, the flavors infuse. It's better. It doesn't have to, but yeah, and the garlic gets a little bit milder as well, and that's it. And then if we move over here, we have a finished roast here. So this roast was again cooking for 6 hours, and so for a pita, I'd like to just take slices of this roast.
Oh, that looks. It looks so like it looks very moist.
And then I would just cut it into cubes here.
Okay. So talk a little bit more about this turkey roast, like in terms of nutritional benefits and things of that nature.
Well, you've got the dark meat and the white meat here. So it's got lots of iron in it. And again, it's very high in protein.
It smells incredibly good.
Yeah, I use this lemon marinade for so often at home.
This is fully cooked?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah, and then, if you want to build pitas, that's what we usually do when we've got
I'm going to snag a little piece of this. Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. I'll have a little
yeah, so then, your classic Greek toppings there. We got fresh tomato, fresh onion, and fresh cucumber.
We've got it all going on. Okay, so do you trust me to build one of these?
Absolutely, yeah.
All right,
I can help if you want.
What could possibly go wrong? So I guess this is sort of like the classic sort of pita. It's stuff that usually goes with, tzatziki and Got your lovely turkey in there as well.
Yeah.
Do you recommend any more or less of anything? That's just too awkward.
No, you can put lettuce in there too if you like. Just really whatever you like. And then
you want to serve that
and
up.
then we can't forget the turkey.
Oh,
sorry. Yeah.
You're making a mess around here, but I guess you're allowed. It's, sometimes you got to do it. Oh my gosh.
Chef's license. To
there
make a
you
bit of
go.
a mess. Yeah.
Okay.
And there you go.
Does that pass muster?
Yeah,
that passes
great.
for you?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Yep.
fantastic. I'm not even going to attempt to bite this while we're doing this live. At any rate, this is it. The amazing Greek slow-cooked turkey roast on a pita, effortless, tasty turkey meals. And when we come back, a slow-cooked meat sauce and baked rigatoni. This looks unbelievable. Come right back. Stay right here. Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by greattastesmb.ca. Local farms, local foods.